What? What's the matter? No, guys. No, I just came in to get some pictures. I can't pet you. I can't. Yeah. No, guys, I'm sorry. I know. Oh, no. I didn't mean to wake you all up. I'm sorry. No, I can't. I can't pet you now. No. I know. I just wanted to get pictures of you sleeping. Yeah? What are you guys doing? Yeah? Yeah? Everyone's talking. No. Please don't jump on me. You guys are hungry. It's almost dinner time. No. Oh, no, baby, I'm sorry. You can't cut. No, guys, I'm sorry. No. You guys are just too cute, but I don't have your dinner and I can't stay. Uh-oh, help me. I can't get out. I'm sorry. Oh, you're so sleepy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. No. No, sorry.